Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your TikTok account. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first, open up TikTok and click on your profile icon on the bottom right. And once you're on here, click on the three lines on the top right. Then select Settings and Privacy at the bottom. And once you're on here, you should see Account at the top. So tap on there. And then at the bottom it should say deactivate or delete account. So just click on that. So this will give you the option to deactivate your account, and it'll just let you know no one can see your account, including all content that is stored in it. Reactivate your account and recover all content anytime. So if you're happy with that, just click on there. And you can just read through this information and then select deactivate at the bottom. And once you do this, it will send you a code through, and all you have to do is enter in that code and then you can deactivate your account. So that's how you can deactivate your account on TikTok. Thanks for watching.